this got too real too quick, I'm afraid. I don't understand why I'm feeling like this. I didn't know it was gonna be this difficult. But we're here now and we have to do this. What is up, Yanolix fam? My name is Kanye Miles, Kanye Kanza, Kanye Sila, Mwakan's child. And I don't even know where to start. My journey with Yanolix has been amazing from the time when we started. And I wanna cry. I'm not gonna cry though. When I was just a girl, really, trying to make it out there. And I remember my first interview. I went to Yano. I was like, yo, bro, I want to do this thing. And he came to me and he said, yo, I was actually about to approach you as well because I think it would be really great that you join Yanolix and we start doing this thing. This thing rather. I'm so nervous. Flip, man.
It's all over faith too. This is Yano from Yanolix. So yeah, indaba ezibuhlungu. Uma is living Yanolix. It's okay. Obviously ngiphatha kabuhlungu leyo nto yabo. Obviously wasethi meeting yabo. Ethi no, I think khona into engifuna sikhulume ngayo. So I was like, mas kwenzakalani yabo. So obviously sahlangana as a team officeini. And then like casually umuntu yasitshela nje ukuthi usecela ukuthi ngathini athi ukuhlehla kancane kuyanolix yabo because office zathu azozisho noma seyishilo naye yabo.
The next time we met at the next event, there was Scott Mapuma, I remember. He just handed me the phone. At the time, we were using phones as a microphone. And he said, there you go. I said, what? I'm about to interview Scott Mapuma. There's absolutely no way. I was so scared. I remember I was nervous. But it didn't, the next person couldn't see, or rather the person who was watching couldn't see that I was nervous. And he was literally not backing down. He was like, hey, Baba, here's the phone. Let's do this thing. Scott was literally standing right next to me. And I remember it was Youngstan and Scott on that day. And I did the interview. The interview hit 1 million. And that for me was confirmation that this is what I'm supposed to be doing.
One video ka Kanye Miles ku TikTok. I think ubenze audition. Ngisazi bekuyani audition yabo. So mangimbona I was like, "Hayi bo kanti Kanye yakwazi ukulokho nje?" Because now I'm looking for umuntu okwazi ukupresent yabo. So obviously ngadlulisa isikhathi ngile ngithi ngizomthinta. Kanti naye ucabanga the same thing yabo. So ngabona sengithumela i-WhatsApp yabo. So ngitshela ukuthi Yano ngisacela senze into kanje nakanje. Ufuna ukuba part of the team yabo. And I was like, no, it's fine because nami ngicabanga the same thing yabo. So kwaqala kanjalo. So and then kwaba khona we were doing a wish if ngikhumbula kahle. Something wish. Then bekhona uScott, bekhona Youngstana. And then I safika laphana. We said, I was like, Kanye, because uthe uyayifuna ukuyenza lento le. Ngifaka on the spot. Ngicela senze uScott Mapuma interview yabo. Then obviously ubenokupanika okukhona. Yabo ngabona ukuthi hesitate anyane ngithola. But watinenza and the video le yashaya 1 million in 24 hours mengikhumbula kahle. 1 million views in 24 hours on TikTok. I was like, yo, lo muntu lo sosebenza naye kanjani yabo. So qala kanjalo ke.
Going through this journey with Yanolix has been amazing. Yanolix has taken me from 0 to literally like 100, and I'll forever be grateful being part of Yanolix. I'll forever be grateful for being seen by Yano and giving me an opportunity. Guys, this is tough.
Abantu bamthanda, abantu noma kuphi la sihamba khona besho intro yakhe bemshutha yabo. So I was like, yazi uKanye is a superstar kahle.
It's been great with the amount of events, being in spaces where you never thought you would be, meeting these big celebrities, these big artists you'd never even imagine meeting, and they know your intro, like, hey, Kanye, you know what I'm saying? So it's really been amazing, and it's been really like an out-of-body experience. all these spaces, boardrooms, being in meetings, who would have thought? Attending all these amazing events. I got my first flight to Durban. My first time being on a flight to Durban was with Yano Lyrics. And I don't think I can even explain to you how much I'm appreciative of Yano Lyrics and what they've done for me, the opportunities they've given me and the experience that they've given me.
Obviously, afuna ukuthi akhule, yabo. Asifuna ukuthi sigcine simgcina kuphela la kuthina. Angayi kwezinye indawo, ngithola. So as a team decide ukuthi I know it's fine, mas. Ungayenza kanjalo. But sangahlangana noma yikuphi la hlangana khona, yabo. There's no bad blood. So by family nje until ngithola. So yeah.
Sanibona bafethu, kamera Ntuthuko. I'm an editor ku Yano Lyrics. Also social media manager. I manage Facebook, so ukuhlangana kwami ne-Yano Lyrics as an entity, it was from back in Durban. So obviously I know Yano from a long time ago. I think it's been like 5-6 years now.
So speaking about Ntuthuko no MSG, so Ntuthuko no MSG abantu esifunde nabo UKZN Howard. Besihlale resi. Ngikalukazi Ntuthuko. Ntuthuko sobala umthithelo bethu, yabo, like uyathanda entertainment, yabo. Uyathanda entertainment, sahlangana naye Ntuthuko. Kuhamba isikhathi ngathini? Kuhamba isikhathi yaphela funding yami, yabo. And then kwamele ngisquat because bese nginanda ukuhlala, yabo. Kwamele ngisquat, so ahlala noNtuthuko erumini, sihlala erumini yodwa for like 6 months. Yeah. Urumini ngani nje mfethu ngithola. Sahlala khona. Obviously bese busy ngezinto eziningi. Asi active in social media, yabo. So obviously sonke lama ideas meqhamuka. Ntuthuko menza something nami yang inspiration, so shit. Namuthi ngenza into kanje. Nami ngenza something noNtuthuko naye inspiration lonto leyo, yabo. So wenza kanjalo. Okay, and then ngashiya ke esikoleni, yabo. Because bekuneyinkinga eziningi. I was like, let me go back home. Ngifuna umsebenzi ongcono because ngiyabona ukuthi ukuhlala e-university I feel like I'm comfortable kakhulu, yabo.
Sahlangana UKZN. I was busy with music and he was also busy with music, but we were just so interested in this social media thing because obviously at that time social media was booming. It was after COVID, so we were very focused on what's happening on the internet. So we kept on pushing and he started the Yano Lyrics, and then now I focused on my books because bengangisamncane esikoleni and I say I had and then one move ke wayegoli ngasala ke mina, but we kept on talking about yabo sebenza with Yano Lyrics, yabo. So when time came ukuthi nami ngimove ngize eGoli, ngasiyeka nami isikole, by the way, same reasons as him, finding. So ngathi mangize eGoli ngaxhumana naye because obviously eGoli ngangiza for 2 things. I was still continuing with my music things, yabo, and then I also wanted to continue working with Yano Lyrics from Durban, obviously. So mangifika and then wangitshela ukuthi okay udinga umuntu ozomsiza with the edits and yabo nokuthi esikhulise the social media pages. So that's how I joined Yano Lyrics.
Ngibingelele, sanibona. Igama lami message Mfundo Mbongwa. Ngibiza ko MSG. Before ngifike kule part ebuhlungu, ngiqale ngithi mafuphu ngapha. Engeneni ku Yano Lyrics. Nama nokuhlangana noYano because ihlangane naye le UKZN, besifunda sonke UKZN. Kuyikona ukuthi mina bengibhizinesi nje izinto nama 9 to 5 9, so Ntuthuko kwawuyedwa ukuthi mfethu awuzabe lento ye management, artist management na.
Ngaqala ngasebenza ke KFC. And then ngibhizi ngasebenza, but like ikhanda lami khona le idea ukuthi shit, why ungene something ekanje, yabo. Until ngize ngilayele umcabango leyo, and then ngaqala ke i-page on TikTok. Ngifone ngani nje ngisayisha brand yayo because for some other reasons. Ngifuna ingane nje yayi-cheap yabo. Ngaqala ngayana lyrics nakhona ngangibolekiwe lo phone leyo ngibolekwe umngani kaNtuthuko uSiseko ofeature wayiboleke umpho wangiboleka yona so yabo. And then yaqala kanjalo ke
uyana ubhizi nalento ye-page le saqala ukuthi yini lento bhala ama-lyrics one way hayi lesimsiza
eqala kanjalo ke into ngithola so ngenza ama-lyrics ku TikTok obviously bengenza ingoma engiyithandayo not thinking ukuthi lento izohamba ifike kuphi yabo. And then yenzeka kanjalo ke yaqala yakhula into yakhona ngibhizi ngisebenza eKFC kwathi ukuhamba isikhathi ngabona ukuthi yazi ukuthini I think kumele ngithathe risk la because ngisebenza kanzima la and obviously imali ayikho enough yabo. I was like athi ngivele ngigoli ngiyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngaquita eKFC I think bengisebenza 4 months or 6 months I don't remember. Ngaquita eKFC ngabatshela abaphathi ukuthi baphathi sicela ukhoqa angibatshelanga ukuthi why yabo. I think ngasho isathe singekho nje because bangafuna ubajele iqiniso. Ngayegoli ke ngathola umqasho eSoweto eProtea Glen. Ngashala khona from 2024 ngafika eGoli 17 July 2024 umhla ka-18 bekune show ekhona amapiano summit the following day ngakhona senza ama-interviews lapho
ukuthi after graduation ayikho into engiyihlalele la eThekwini ngihamba ngiyofuna umsebenzi eGoli hayi ngipakishe ikhwama zami 2024 ukala ngiyobe ngize eGoli ngiza ngapha eGoli silesikhuluma vele nabo Yano nabo Ntuthuko yabo silesikhuluma nabo ukuthi ndoda yaphoqa ukuthi uze ngapha eGoli ngoba manje abantu abaningi abaku-industry bangapha eGoli vele yabo so naye ayibona vele beseyibonile ukuthi kumele eze eGoli so agqugquzeleke more anyuke naye eze eGoli ngapha yabo ngilo ngigcinelwe i925 nje yabo mefika ngapha eGoli phinde futhi kube ukuthi ke balidinga vele usizo kubeke simsize lapha besimsiza khona uNtuthuko bengakafiki wahlangana noMas nangibhizi nama925 that time behlangana noMas ukuthi ke ngiyababona laba ebhizi nama-interviews nani yabo cause impela uyano bebuyahluleka ama-interviews bemdinga impela umuntu njengoMas yabo ukuthi amsize ngapha kuma-interviews.
So sengifikile eGoli obviously mangikhuluma noYano ukuthi ufuna ukusebenza kuYano Lyrics ufuna ukuqhubeka and then kwakhona i-event ya-MT event yokuqala actually ngayi-attenda ngifika la eGoli under Yano Lyrics. So mangifika khona obviously no Mas was there and then I met Mas for the first time. I already knew her social media. Yeah, my first encounter with Mas. And then it wasn't much because Kimi, she came across as this quiet girl. Like she didn't say much. And obviously we were working, so there wasn't time for us to actually to socialize and all those things because we were late and then we got to the venue and then we shot interviews and then she left because she had other things to do.
Bakhona event yenziwayo ePalace le go Kempton Park Emperor's Palace. So menziwa lelo khunja le event lapha kwayikhona la sihlangana khona nontombazana uMasi wasamukela kamnandi nathi samamukela kamnandi sasebenza nje kamnandi kanjani yabo. So going forward nje to la sikhona manje ukuthi ke sikhulile Yano Lyrics kudla ko 3.5 billion followers. I'm saying ngizenganikeza iposition kwathiwa u-content manager ngayishiya phansi 925 nayo le ngangiyithele eGoli la ngagcina sengiyikhwitha futhi aseGoli ngangikhwitha enye eThekwini ngaphinda ngakhwitha enye eGoli. So safocusa ngapha kuYano Lyrics push Yano Lyrics ayipolisha kwaze ukuthi ile golide libonayo namhlanje.
Our relationship has been good with Mas. We talk a lot, even singasebenzi, but we do have like other conversations. So ukuhamba kwakhe manje, it's really something engiphatha kabi because I'm really close to Mas, you know.
Sanibonani, igama lami Kaz, according to Kaz for abantu abangangazi, and I am the talent license, that word. I am that, as well as I do events for Yano Lyrics. So, I'm very new to Yano Lyrics, and the way I joined, funny enough, I also quit my job to actually participate fully for Yano Lyrics. So, the first time I was introduced to the concept was online. I saw a trending video a couple of days before they actually approached me, and it was of Khanyi Mas at a Big Zulu launch, and she kept on asking influencers about Big Zulu songs, and they didn't know it. So that clip trended, and I was like, yo, this girl is ubachela straight, Nfunani la, why are you at this event if you don't know what's going on? And I was like, this is not the normal content that you see. Usually presenters they kiss ass, they calm, bafunu angazi ngithini by face, but she was just so real, man.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguLindani Sibongo ngwakwamanyoni. I am a marketing manager at Yano Lyrics. So today, it's a very emotional moment for all of us as a team. But before we get to that part, I think it's important to talk about a background, Yami. So how I joined Yano Lyrics, it's very strange, hey? So I was brought in by somebody who is part of Yano Lyrics, but unfortunately he's not here. But omunye wabaphathi be Yano Lyrics. So mina, aside lami, I didn't know anything about Yano Lyrics, to be honest with you. So in my team, I'm the most person who is not tapped in, according to 2007 Zanao. But I have a very good marketing background, studied marketing. I'm a qualified marketing manager. And when I joined Yano Lyrics, I was at the peak of my career, right? Which I couldn't believe. And I was about to leave the corporate world for a social media channel or for a media house, right? But as somebody who understands what marketing is, and for somebody who's able to project the future, I knew that it was actually the opportunity. So how I met the team, it was in a very nice setup. We were in the boardroom. So they introduced these young guys, but they're so passionate about life, they know so many things, Nyabona, how they're exchanging ideas, they're putting hands and voices together to come up with these great ideas. They're talking about concepts, they're talking about interviews, they're talking about all these things that they're trying to do. And I'm looking at where I am. I am working at 7 to 9. No, was it a 7 9? No, 7 to 5. Yes, a 7 to 5 job. And I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I think I'm in the wrong space. I've always wanted to be in the entertainment space.
No, I want you to just jump into a meeting with me in the next 5 minutes. I'm like, okay, about what? So he's like, how familiar are you with Yano Lyrics? I'm like, Khanyi Mas? He's like, yeah. I'm like, okay, no, I know that. Tell me more. He's like, no, we'll meet you at the boardroom. How? Boardroom, well, I meet the whole squad. Khanyi Mas, it's my hair dancing, I'm dressed up in corporate wear. I'm like, I hope they take me seriously because I really, really want to impress this team, And then I finally met the guy behind the green mask, Uyan, and I was like, the characters that were revealed to me that day, I was not expecting it. It was like, this is nice, this is new, this is fresh. It reminded me a lot of my AFDA days because I studied at AFDA. I did television marketing and editing. So I was like, this feels like home. There's something about sitting in this boardroom. I don't feel out of place. I'm sure if you ask the rest of the team, Bazo Shubut, I wasn't afraid to even ukfaga my opinion because like I said, I kept on following the page and I had so many things to say. I had so many questions. And this is my opportunity. So I didn't even waste time. I went ahead. They asked me about campaigns. I answered. Ideas I had, I answered. And funny enough, there was no formal, Guti, Kesia, Kasha, or what. I just woke up and I was part of the team.
What's good? Yana Lyrics, Sikamunda Bezondi. It's unfortunate that I think our introduction, you and I, are under such circumstances, but I am one of the newest members of Yana Lyrics, and I guess before we get to the order of the day, into essence of the maybe to relay stories of how I got to work with these incredible people of Yana Lyrics. So my story isn't even that long. It started this year, traveling from Durban to Joburg for Umsebenzi. And out of nowhere, I guess, I find myself in this beautiful mix that is Yana Lyrics. It was at an event. Okay, I'm a story at an event, which speaks, I guess, to the amount of work that Yana does in placing himself in important places within the industry and the space. But we were at an event at Constitutional Hill, and I don't know what made me go and approach them, because Uyano wasn't wearing a mask, and I don't know any of the other people. Ukanye wasn't there on the day. So angazi that made me go and approach them. As a man of faith, I can only say it was ordained by God that we come together in this way, because I just approached this gentle brother. Ngathi mfethu angazi yini ngitshelayo ukuthi khona into ebalekile oyenzayo lana, but ngicela ukubuza if by any chance are you part of Yana Lyrics. Waqala wangibuka wathi kumina ungazelaphi. Mina no, khona ngitshelayo ukuthi mfethu wena you are part of this thing some way, somehow. Wavuma nangempela. Mesihamba backstage to where ama-artists are, la kwenza khona ama-interview. Sengiyabona nami sekulandwa ama-lights, kulandwa i-mic. Mengiyibuka le mic ibrandiwe Yana Lyrics ngithi bona.
It was Umas. We launched Yabo to Taylor. I think this was last year. So I'm seeing this girl. I understand Uguti Uganjani, because she's sitting there and she's quiet. She's not the person that I usually see on social media. Usually she's bubbly, she's loud on camera, but now she's reserved. So I'm thinking, oh my gosh, you know, till I had a conversation with her, and I realized, no, man, this person, she's actually the most nicest person, and the team. I'm telling him, begging him, understand, because vele umuntu othanda uku-analyze izinto, I bega wonke umuntu now kule lontuzana kule event. I realized ukuthi man, why sengazathi kune aura efanayo? The energy is the same in this team. Wonke umuntu uyahlonipha omunye, kuyasetshenziswana, asikhi ngabano. Ngi understand ukuthi man, there's this inspiring thing about this team that makes me really want to be part of this team. And when I met the guys for the first time, it was, I think, 3 months before I could actually agree to this opportunity that's presented to me to say, we need you to be part of Yana Lyrics, because I was thinking about it, should I join or I shouldn't, because I didn't understand, I felt like also I didn't have confidence with it. I will keep up with what they're actually doing, because I'm in a senior position in marketing this side. At the same time now, milling a entertainment space, and I know how sometimes chaotic the entertainment space can be sometimes, there's a lot of traveling, there's a lot of this and that, and from my end, how I've worked with artists, it's me hiring the artists to work on my campaigns. Now I need to be coordinating interviews, I need to come up with campaigns, I need to, be the one who's on the ground, who's, talking to all of these brands. So I thought, let me give it a chance. It took me at least a very good 3-4 months to say, I am leaving my job.
So ukuhamba kwakhe obviously kungiphatha buhlungu yabo. Ngiphatha buhlungu kakhulu. Into zakhona enamela khule. Ngeke simvimbe kusakhule yabo. So ngimfisela konke okuhle kwi-career yakhe. Obviously simnika support if ukuthi khona support ayidingayo. Angahlezi efona esho ukuthi no. Ngicela ungisize ngalokho, it's fine. Si family yabo. So ngifisa lonke okuhle kwi-career yakhe. Ngiyabonga.
And I really believed kuMasi ne-talent analo, and bengacabanga ukuthi ngelinye ilanga kuzofika isikhathi sokuthi ayishiye no-lyrics, because obviously she has contributed a lot to growing this page or this company. So ukuhamba kwakhe, I don't know what to expect in future. Angazi ukuthi no-lyrics from here ukuthi umuntu esomthola landelayo uzobe kuyinto kanjani, and naye ngifisela inhlanhla futhi because obviously usemkhulu manje, she's made it ngetalent lakhe, so she has to go out there and explore. I mean, there's a lot of other opportunities that are in this industry. I'm Lindile, so I really wish all the best for her, and yeah, so Sanga.
But to Mars, all the best, man. And yeah, this is the unfortunate bits of when you start something with people at the beginning of it all. Sometimes, things take you to places that you didn't even imagine for yourself. And so wherever you're going and whatever it is that you're about to do, it's only better. It's only bigger and it's only better. All that's left to say really is, take it to the moon or take it to Mars, take it beyond. And we love you.
Well, akubona ntombazana usephinde futhi uthola amanye ama-green pastures futhi yabona nje. So ilonto ke siphatha kabuhlungu ke namhlanje ukuthi-ke sekumele sizame bandla ukuthi-ke angazi ukuthi ispace sakhe sovaloba ngempela ngoba ngeke sikwazi ukubuyela kuyano futhi simenzisa ama-interviews yabo. So siphatheka kabuhlungu siyisizwe siwumndeni we-no-lyrics, kodwa-ke sikufisela konke okuhle ntombazane, uhambe kahle lapho uyakhona, siyosebenza kahle, bakwamukele futhi laphona futhi bayakulahla ubuye naye umndeni ngapha kuya-no-lyrics. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Girl, go out there, be a shining star that you are. Carry other brands like you did with all the brands that we've worked with. You are not just a presenter. There's an MC in you. There's a personality in you. There's a brand persona, for all these other brands. There are so many brands that are looking at you.
Sitting here today and having to say goodbye, ne? It's just that. Angazi ngithini. I'm just as scared as the rest of my team. Siyabuzana, siyaziphendula. We're looking at our campaigns. We are looking at everything that we've built to this point, and we're saying goodbye. Hey. Nonetheless, Kanyumas, can't, child. Me, I love you, girl. Like Uyazi, I'm down for you. I want to see you do great things. I just wish it wasn't away from us, Because what we've built here today, it's unmatched, Joe. Bayazama, bathi bayaskopisela, bathi bayazama, but hey, we are gone, eh? No-lyrics, nowhere to be seen. So, yeah, I wish her all the best. I know everyone has been saying that. I really, really do wish her all the best, and I wish wherever she's going, bakuphathe kahle dog, bangakhila umoya. I wish they don't bring you down. I wish they embrace your loudness, your creativity, like your spark. I wish they ignite it. Ingabi ukuthi ngiyakubona 3 years down the line, I'm just like, another one got away, So I'm sitting here saying goodbye, but you are saying hello to brighter things. So it's still a win. You'll always be family. We love you. And yeah, man. It's just been amazing, and unfortunately, it has come to an end. It has come to an end, and it wasn't an easy decision to make. As you can tell, I'm pretty nervous sharing this with you guys, but it has come to an end between no-lyrics and myself. I've grown, and having the conversation with them as well, it wasn't an easy one. It was very emotional, because no one has ever imagined this day coming. But obviously, I've grown, and obviously, I need to look at other aspects in life, greener pastures, pun intended, very much so. So yeah, it's been amazing. It's been great. Going on tours, going to events, meeting great people, receiving love through the Yano Lyrics family and audience. It's been really, really great. But I'm going to have to say my intro for one last time on Yano Lyrics. My name is Kanyi Kanzi Kanyi Silemu Kan's child. Thank you so much. I'm out.